Hi, this is Mike at MonkeyPod, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new email list. To start, we're going to go to our Relationships menu. Click under Email Marketing. You'll see a link for email lists. Go ahead and click into that. And from here you can see a list of all of your different email lists, anything that you've created so far, the active subscribers, as well as the date that the email list was created. You can always click into this button over here, which is showing any archive lists, anything that you've said you don't want to look at right now, maybe archive it. You can always pull that back up in the future. And you can always come in and edit email lists by coming into the vertical ellipses over here on the right. To add a new list, I'm going to maybe let's do volunteer events. We'll title the list. The list name should be publicly appropriate because when folks subscribe or unsubscribe from an email list, they will see the list name. Next, you're going to put in the email address and the name that shows up in the recipient's inbox. So I might do my email address, mike@monkeypod.io, and I can do maybe Mike at MonkeyPod, or I could do my full name, or info at MonkeyPod, whatever you'd want to do for your organization, but you can customize the email address that's going to show up or the name that shows up in the recipient's inbox. When you're ready to save, click the green check. And next you're brought to this screen showing the email settings. So you'll see 3 tabs up here: subscribers, settings, and insights. We want to make sure that you start with adjusting the settings on your email list before you send any campaigns. So here's where you can always come in. You can edit the name of the list, update it, change it. You can change the from email address. You can change the from name that's going to show up in the recipient's inbox. You can also change and have it be different for when somebody replies back to one of these emails. It can go to a different email address. For example, I could make this info@monkeypod.io, and we could make that maybe support at MonkeyPod, right? And that way, when they reply back, it's going to a different email address. This button right here, this setting, the publish feed in a publicly accessible archive, what that means is if you check that box, any email that is sent to this list, there will be a link that you could then click into and see that email campaign in the future. So if you wanted to send your April newsletter and then look back on that newsletter and copy that link, or have a link to that newsletter later on in the year to be able to share on social media or include a link on your website, you can do that by having this box checked. Next, you have a section on reports. So when you send email campaigns to this email list, you can receive a report about the number of people that have opened, confirmation about the campaign was sent. You can include multiple email addresses here. I could do mike@monkeypod.io and have multiple, or comma, and add additional email addresses if there are multiple people in my organization that want to receive that confirmation in those reports. You can also send welcome emails and confirmation emails. So when somebody subscribes to this email list, they would receive a specific email. For your welcome email, you can send a default and delay it by a certain number of minutes, or you can send a custom welcome email and you can change the welcome message that folks will receive. Similarly, you can do the same thing with a confirmation email. When somebody subscribes, MonkeyPod is going to send them an email asking them to confirm that they indeed subscribe to this email address to avoid any issues with spam. Once you click Save Your Settings and you're all set there, your settings are ready to go, and next you can start doing things like adding subscribers. You can always take a look at your insights. Insights are going to be a tab that will show your subscriber growth over time. We haven't added anybody to this list right now, but in the future you'll be able to take a look at the chart and see that subscriber growth over time and be able to edit those dates. We'll take a look at how to add subscribers in another video, but that's a quick way of looking how to make an email list and adjust your settings. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for new content, and thanks so much for watching.